Hey everybody, it's Kim of Jolie Noire. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are talking about summer dresses from AFRM. It's the middle of the summer season and the temperatures are not going down anytime soon. We're still looking for nice, cute summer pieces. So I found some dresses at AFRM that I think you'll really love. In the last few years, we've been seeing a lot of mesh pieces and I've been loving them. I have been rocking mesh for a long time actually. I go through cycles of mesh that, like I'm wearing mesh tops, mesh skirts, mesh dresses. It just depends on whatever I can find. I actually do love a mesh piece, especially in the summer. So I did a poll on my Instagram about 2 weeks ago asking people what was their style aesthetic so that I can help give them places to shop. And one of the ladies said that her style was modest and sexy and colorful. And modest and sexy are not typically combined together, but I know that a lot of people have described my style as modest and sexy. I believe that the mystery of modesty is quite sexy, and so you don't have to try so hard. And I think that these dresses fall right within that. So keep watching. Up first, we have this beautiful lime green number. I absolutely love it. All of these actually can be transitioned into fall, which I love that. It is a sheer piece on top of a slip dress, so it comes attached in, and it has rhinestones all over it from neck to bottom, and it is just lovely. Because it was giving me disco vibes, I decided to pair my platforms and my crystal earrings to finish off the look. Now this look, I wouldn't necessarily wear shopping or to the mall or anything like that, but I definitely would wear this to a dinner, to a wedding, to a date night, maybe even to a friend's, dinner or anything like that, like a birthday. I have a birthday coming up, so I would probably wear it to that. And next up is the same dress as the green one, but it's in black and it's nicely, beautifully printed. I love these because they kind of remind me of the early 2000s, kind of Ed Hardy, but better. It reminds me of that kind of tattoo shirts and things like that. They are really great at giving you great prints and great color. I finished this dress off with a belt to break up the pattern a little bit. If you are kind of pattern averse, if you're not really into patterns because you're afraid that it's going to be too much print and look like too much, a great way to remedy that is to put on a belt. It breaks up the print and makes it not look too overwhelming. I added a classic black pump and bag because the print is already speaking for itself. It is already doing the work and we don't want to overpower it. So just like the green one, I wouldn't wear it to the mall or something casual. I would definitely though wear it to a wedding. Wedding season is still in effect. I would wear it to a dinner, to a party, something like that. You can also transition this one into the fall, drape a nice leather jacket on top, put a boot on, and it'll be so cute. Now for the third and final one, this one has to be my absolute favorite. I love them all, but this one's my absolute favorite because it is so chic, so clean, and it has a slight hint of elegance to it. The maxi style, the high neck, the long sleeve, it doesn't show skin or anything like that, so it is beautiful. It looks so stunning. I love that they chose to put blues, orange, yellow, all of these things together. All of this collection really flowed really nicely. It was one of the most striking of the collections that I've seen, and I love that it's just so beautifully done. I decided to pair this one with floral earrings to kind of play off of the design, the nature design, and then my seashell bag because it was just so cute and it screams summer. And then I finished it off with metallic gold tie-up sandals. Now with this one, I have a little bit more flexibility because I can wear this to a wider range of things. This one also will transition into fall very beautifully, but since we're still in summer, we're looking at going to the mall. You can throw on sneakers with this dress, you can do sandals, you can do heels. There's so many things that you can do. If you want to transition this one into fall, adding a long cardigan would be so beautiful. So guys, that is it for the summer dresses. I hope you guys really like this kind of content. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below that you really love the video. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media channels. Keandra is Keandra Lockett, I'm Keys Deluxe Life, and we are Jolie X Noire Apparel on Instagram or any other platform. Bye guys.